Perhaps the headline has perplexed you. Do you know what melatonin is? Melatonin is a hormone that is produced naturally by the body and has the primary role of regulating the circadian cycle. Melatonin also serves as an antioxidant and promotes the proper functioning of the organism. Isn't it fascinating? Melatonin is a sleep-inducing hormone produced by the pineal gland, which is exclusively active at night. Avoid lights, aromas, and audio stimulation at night, as they speed up metabolism and reduce melatonin production. Melatonin production typically diminishes with age, which is why sleep disturbances are more common in adults and the elderly. Melatonin helps with seasonal depression, stomach acidity, cancer prevention, and polycystic ovary syndrome. The hormone also prevents baldness and hair loss, as well as treating migraines and improving chemotherapy response. Isn't it incredible? Many individuals believe that melatonin produced in the lungs helps keep the new coronavirus at bay. Is it something you've heard about? This discovery by researchers at the University of São Paulo in Brazil, USP, explains why some persons were not infected, or why other persons tested positive for SARS-CoV-2 by RT-PCR yet showed no symptoms of COVID-19. The discovery raises the possibility of utilizing melatonin intranasally in the form of drops or spray to slow the progression of presymptomatic individuals. However, the authors of this study state that a series of preclinical and clinical investigations are required to confirm the hormone's therapeutic efficacy against coronavirus. Melatonin works as a wall against SARS-CoV-2, according to the researchers, preventing the virus from accessing the epithelium, activating the immune system, and prompting antibody formation. This allows the coronavirus to linger in the respiratory tract for a few days before moving on to another host. Other respiratory infections, such as influenza, can cause melatonin to act in the lungs. Isn't it incredible? Melatonin research began in the 1990s with mouse experiments. The hormone produced by the pineal gland in the brain could also be produced in other organs, such as the lungs, according to Regina Pickelman-Marcus, professor at USP's Institute of Biosciences, IB, and project coordinator. Marcus, on the other hand, believes that additional research into melatonin and its production is required. She claims that it may be triggered and injected into the body, but care is advised because no confirmations have been made. Marcus claims that a deeper understanding of how it occurs is required, and that this will take some time. In this case, the only thing she can be certain of is that melatonin does not act because it stays in the bloodstream and does not reach the lungs.